So this is a follow-up cut on the adhesive back foam tape. I'll save you all the talking this time. The blade we're using is different. We call this a honeycomb style blade. It's 1 inch wide. It's a hybrid of a knife and a hook tooth style blade. If you're interested, I have a data sheet on it for the intended customer for this material. I'll send a data sheet. But it cuts with a hybrid slicing action and tooth chip type action. So it should give us a better quality cut on the foam. Get through the core a little easier. The downside is it's a more expensive blade. It costs, I think, like 4 or 5 times as much as the blade that I used in the previous cut, and it will go dull more quickly. But if it gets you the cut quality you want, it is worth it. Spin her up, please. This is, again, the first time I'm cutting this material with this blade, so I don't know how fast to feed it. I'll just feel into it. There's the core. Stop, please. Thank you. Okay, what do we got? That is definitely cleaner, but I don't know that it's material how much cleaner. So here, for instance, was a side cut with the tooth style blade, and here it is cut with the honeycomb style blade. It's better, but I leave it up to the potential customer to determine if it is enough better to justify the added blade cost. Okay, thank you for watching.